everyone, my name is Alex if you're new here, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video. I actually traveled for the first time to Ica. We did a full day in Ica, and within Ica we went to Caracas and La Huacachina. This trip was so much fun, so I hope that you enjoyed this. I just thought I would pop in here and do a quick little intro and outro that you'll see at the end, and let's go ahead and get started on with the video.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
That's why people say that they are Peruvian. Ahí hay otro, miren. Arriba de esta cueva hay uno paradito. So on the top of that cave there is another penguin. Ahora está caminando. Now it is walking. Ahora de regreso a su nido. That one is going back to nest. So main fish that these birds eat is anchovies.
I feel so alive.
Remember that they are sea lions. They are not seals because there aren't seals in Peru. In Peru there are sea lions.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
¿Les da miedo?
Bota a los perros, tienen el casi.
Una, dos.
Arriba, ya, salió. Arriba. Ya, está muy bien acá, ya.
¡Qué lindo! Creo que todos. No te va a comer eso, ¿no? Sí, me va a comer el plátano.
Última toma, se va la madura.
Anthony, ¿te tomas? Tú puedes.
No te veas más, quiero bailar.
Sí.
¡Ay!
¡Él le da miedo! Gracias.
Arriba, ya. Arriba. Ya, está muy
No sabes lo que pasa. El primer verso, papi. Lo que manda aquí la clave. Este ritmo guaguanco. Esto es lo que existe. Y también está mi chamaco. Nadie nos resiste. Aquí estamos bravos. La chema tan brava. Esta vida es brava.
Salud. ¿Cuál es?
Ya está. Listo. Y bueno, ya vamos a cantar lo mismo. Queremos saber si Leo es amigo.
No drops.
Perdiste, Leo. De
¿Lo
rodillas.
volteamos o no?
¿Sí?
¿Quién dijo otro?
I'm scared.
I'm gonna drive it.
I'm scared. Borrowing my bandana for the sand and sunglasses because I'm tan. And it's hot. I got water. It's hot. Which one are we getting in? I'm scared. I hope we don't go to the top.
I don't care. It's more fun.
Las últimas palabras.
¿No?
Bueno, le dejo mi perro a mi mamá. Mami, por favor, cuida la estrella.
Tengo miedo. ¿Estamos? ¿Dónde estamos?
Date vuelta de... Aquí nos dejan, acá tenemos que llegar hasta allá abajo.
We've been doing that right there, but more crazy. We go down, down, up. It's been crazy. That's so nice. Ajá. De acá te tiras para abajo. Y de abajo te tiran para arriba. Photo. We're gonna take a picture right here.
Luego te cae de cara.
Ale, are you okay?
We made it alive. Kevin went in the front, so he has sand into the ice. Look, we're literally in the desert. We already got home and I want to show you guys this backpack that I got. It is so cute. I love it so much. It's beautiful. I love the colors and everything. I'm gonna use it tomorrow. But I'm packing up my stuff right now and preparing for tomorrow. I also got this little magnet today. Paracas was the first place that we went to, so I got a little magnet and I'm gonna take it back home with me, but I wanted to show you guys. I got myself this little green bracelet. I thought was really cute as well. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video if you haven't already. It would really help me out so much. Bye guys.